In this video, I'll detail how to fix Face ID and passcode missing in iPhone. So if you have a Face ID phone and you discover that the Face ID and passcode is missing, so you couldn't set passcode or you couldn't use the Face ID, then in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step by step on how to fix your iPhone Face ID and passcode settings and passcode missing in the settings. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix the Face ID and passcode missing in settings on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, scroll down until you get to screen time. Then scroll down and tap content and privacy restrictions. Click on that. Then if you have this disabled, you want to go ahead and enable this. And once that is enabled, scroll down until you get to allow changes to, then locate passcode and Face ID and click on that. Then if the passcode and Face ID is set to disallow, tap allow. Then hit the back button and go back to your iPhone settings. Now you should have the Face ID and passcode on the page. You see this? And if the Face ID and passcode is not still showing, you can just go ahead, close the settings page, then open the settings afresh, then scroll down. Then you should see the Face ID and passcode fixable. So this is how you can easily fix Face ID and passcode missing in settings on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.